Welcome to Home of Math. In this video, we are trying to solve these three math. Let's start. Number 1. This is an exponential expression we try to solve step by step. First, 2 to the power n plus 4 minus 4 times 2 to the power n plus 1 divide 2 to the power n plus 2 divide cubic root of 8. We know if a to the power m plus n, we can write a to the power m times a to the power n. Okay, so in this case here is also same thing, 2 to the power n times 2 to the power 4 we can write, minus this 4 we can write 2 square times this 2 to the power n plus 1 we can write 2 to the power n times 2 to the power 1. In denominator, here is 2 to the power n times 2 square divide this 8 we can write 2 to the power 3, and once we omit cubic root we can write in power times 1 by 3. Okay, then here we can take common 2 to the power n, so 2 to the power 4 means 16 minus 2 square is a 4 and 2 to the power 1 means 2, 4 times 2 it means 8. Similar, here is 2 to the power n times here is 2 square, these 3 and these 3 out. We know if base are same, suppose a to the power m divide a to the power n, we can write a to the power m minus n, because base are same, in division power will be subtract. So here power is 1 and here is division, so 2 and 2 are same base, so 2 to the power 2 minus 1. Okay, then look, this 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n out. So here is 16 minus 8 means 8, 2 to the power 2 minus 1 it means 2 to the power 1, so here is 2. So our answer is 8 divided 2 means 4. 4 is our answer. So first question answer done. Now second one. Number 2. If d equals to 0, find the value of y. Where is y? Look, here is given a equals to 2, b equals to 3, c equals to 5 and d equals to 1 by y plus 1 divide a plus b minus 1 by a minus 1 divide y plus b. So here we can write like this, that here d equals to 0. Again, instead of d we can write 1 divide y plus 1 divide a plus b minus 1 divide a minus 1 divide y plus b, okay, equals to 0, because d equals to given this one. Now we can do one thing, we will find out the value of y. So 1 divide y minus 1 divide y plus b we can keep one side, and 1 divide a, and this plus 1 divide a plus b we can change to right side. So this one minus 1 divide a plus b. One divide y minus 1 divide y plus b equals to, here is 3, so we can write 3. 1 divide a means what? A means 2. Look, here is a equals to 2 and b equals to 3. So 1 divide 2 minus 1 divide a means 2 plus b means 3. So here is an LCM, y plus 3. So here is y plus 3 minus y equals to, here is 1 divide 2 minus 1 divide 2 plus 3 means 5. Y plus 3, and here is this y and minus y out, 3 equals to, here LCM is 10, so 5 minus 2. Okay, then 3 y plus 3 equals to 5 minus 2 means 3, divide 10, now cross multiplication. So y plus 3 then times 3 equals to 30. So this one, if we divide both sides by 3, so here is y square plus 3y equals to 10. Okay, then y square plus 3y minus 10 equals to 0. Y square, so here is 10 and here is 3y. We know 5 times 2 means 10, 5 minus 2 means 3. So we can write plus 5y minus 2y, and here is minus 10. We just this one make factorization, so we can take common y, so y plus 5 minus 2 common, y plus 5 equals to 0. So y plus 5 y minus 2 equals to 0. Either y plus 5 equals to 0, or we can write y equals to minus 5, or y equals to minus 2 equals to 0, y equals to 2. Okay, so finally we get y equals to either 2 or minus 5. So y equals to minus 5 or 2. Number 1 and 2 done. 1 and 2 done. Now we will start number 3. This is a logarithm and we have to find out this logarithm expression, the value. So first, here is also given a equals to 2, a equals to 2, b equals to 3 and c equals to 5. So first we can simplify this one. This log root b cube, we can write b cube to the power 1 divide 2, right, minus, here is b, log 1 by a, we can write log 1 minus log a, because we know log a divide b means log a minus log b, minus b divide a, this one we can write log c plus log a. We know in multiplication log AB means log A plus log B. Similar, in denominator we can write log A plus log B here minus log C. Okay. Then now we will put this value in this expression. Log B means 3. So 3 to the power 3 divide 2. How? We know a to the power m to the power n. We can write a to the power m times n. Similar, 3 to the power 1 by 2 we can write 3 by 2 minus b. We know log 1 equals to 0 minus log a means 2. Here is b, b means 3 minus b by a, it means 3 by 2 log c means 5 plus log a means what? 2. Log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. Here is log 3 by 2 minus 0, so it will be out. So plus 3 log 2 minus 3 by 2 log 5 plus and minus minus 3 by 2 log 2 divide log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. Then we can write like this: log 3 by 2 plus log 2 cube minus log 5 to the power 3 by 2 minus log 2 to the power 3 by 2. How? Because we know n log a, we can write log a to the power n. Denominator log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. Now this portion we can write like this: we know log a plus log b minus log c, we can write log ab divide c. Similar, here is also we can do like this: log, look, this one is plus part, so we can write like this: 3 to the power 3 divide 2 times 2 to the power 3, right? And denominator we can write like this: 5 3 divide 2 times 2 to the power 3 divide 2. Okay, and below log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. Okay, then log this one 3 to the power 3 by 2 will not change anything times 2 to the power 3, and here is also 2, so minus 3 divide 2, and below only 5 to the power 3 divide 2, and here is log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. Then log 3 to the power 3 by 2 plus, not plus, multiply 2 to the power, look, 3 minus 3 by 2, once we make LCM, so 2, 6 minus 3, so 3 minus 2. So we can write 2 to the power 3 divide 2, and below 5 to the power 3 by 2, and here is log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. Then again we know log A divide B means log A minus log B. So this one we can write log 3 to the power 3 by 2 plus log 2 to the power 3 by 2 minus log 5 to the power 3 by 2, and here is log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5, right? Now again we can write this 3 divide 2 log 3 plus 3 divide 2 log 2 minus 3 divide 2 log 5, right? Then log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. Okay, then we can take common 3 divide 2, so we can write log 3 plus log 2 minus log 5, and here is log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. Okay, so this one and this one out, the answer is 3 divide 2. Look, this math is looking a little bit bigger, but this is very important math for logarithm and also any kinds of examination around the world. So once we take good practice at home, you can solve these kinds of math easily. So I try to solve 3 math in this video. Hope it will help you for examination. My request, if you think this is helping you, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you have any question, just put on your comments at comments box. Thank you.